My sister-in-law signed for an event space and wants Ty to check it out.
Sheesh.
Look at this.
Whoa, that's support.
Trying to kill my siblings.
Probably don't want us to expect this. I see a bunch of violations.
Next space, we gonna take our time. We're calling out the experts. We ain't just getting no fucking ball of fucking trash.
So what's your vision?
Floors like that tile with like a gray.
Okay.
And then I just want the walls white so whoever come in, our colors don't clash with their event.
That makes sense.
Like neutral colors.
This is just so cute to me.
I like how when they supposed to just give like a updated modern feel.
One of those industrial. You want to take those walls out?
I just want it like that.
So it could just be open. Bae, oh my, stop. It's gonna be dust. Bae. Man. Right.
Mommy, can I just kick it?
Man, promise you smooth over the little something.
I just want to throw a hammer on some glass or something.
On some glass? Oh my god, that's probably heavy as shit. Get back. No.
Oh my god. Their grammar is horrible.
That's one way to do it. Oh my, you know what? Boy.
I like those sticky, the vinyl ones.
Oh, you gonna get the sticky ones?
I don't know. I don't know if it's the ones that click in together or.
The ones that click in together might be a little better quality than the sticky ones. Well, at least it'll work
To the
faster.
guy, I think that's what he said we could do.
Oh, okay. They don't want nothing probably to be stuck to the floor. They probably want us to be able to be moved.
They do whatever they want.
Right, the way it's looking.
That lighter floor with the walls being white make it look bigger.
Yes, it will.
They come up enough for the ceiling, y'all still decide. Over there.
Oh, dang. Y'all don't want to put new drywall. Oh, okay. I thought y'all didn't want to.
This shit gonna take forever to get done.
Oh no, it ain't gonna get smooth. You can scrape this shit, like patch it here and there at different spots, and then texture the whole ceiling. Cause you gotta think about it. You put the drywall in there, you still gotta move that.
Right. If that get knocked down back there to a certain point and then it just get patched too.
And then just leave it black.
Well, I mean, whatever color y'all want to paint it. And that's saving money too. It is like a bunch of costs with demo in it too. Because all these wood things, it's a potential that them might even need to come down. We actually kept some walls like this though. That's why I think it would be cheaper to keep it.
I say black, and then you
On
got
top
the
of
white
especially
light.
the light and he was talking about, you won't even see this.
If we patch that means we scrape this? Like what do we
Oh, it's gonna have to be straight.
Not like down to the wood.
Right.
Like the chip.
make it smooth?
This the super chippy spot.
Right. They did the roof on it though, right? Oh, okay.
He was talking to them.
What happens with these? Can these tracks get temporarily taken off if they did take the panel off?
Yeah, cause this just screwed on.
Okay. It all might as well just go so it can be just cohesive with the
Behind there
white.
is just the white wall.
Yep. Just
Oh, so we just gonna pull all of it off.
Yep, and then take like a hammer, pull these nails out. Then stuff like this just have to be patched.
And this shit like this, reminds me of tape. Damn. Yeah, just throw some drywall over this shit, probably.
You think so?
Maybe. Unless you don't give a fuck about them coming back.
So what do we do about the holes? We just patch them in?
Yeah. That's the good thing about having a rough texture on the wall already. It don't matter.
It's gonna blend in. So this is the basement. Somebody was in ARTT.
These all that six. They got holding this boy up. Then they got looking at the water meter right here.
There's 3 here, and then 4. Oh wow. Wow, so water meters can be all over the place. The electric meters, gas meter. It's another water heater. What is this? That dang base? They base unit with everything in it? So what is this, security?
That's an emergency light.
We've definitely seen some evidence of water coming in. Just look at this wall right here. And let's check out in here. Evidence of liquid. Here, definitely over here. So they're gonna have to be careful with whatever they store. Sheesh. She was saying she would like to be able to do like a selfie setup down here. But I was saying just being careful because
Yeah, that shit. It's wet.
It's
over there.
fishy.
It's
Oh, whoa, that's support? What kind of support?
Trying to kill my siblings.
You need to tighten up. It's loose as hell. So you need to put a pole through here and then just twist it. And then crank it up. You can tell when something's solid when you hit it and everything vibrates. Like it sounds like it ain't going nowhere.
So, let's see.
This tag will tell you how many gallons and stuff like that.
Like the actual brand and tag?
Yeah, that boy say 1992. Gas, 39.4 gallons, so that's like a 40-gallon tank. A.O. Smith. We got stock in that company.
It might be a good quality home.
Yeah, I mean, it's still running. It ain't busted, it ain't rusted or nothing. But what's this right here? You tell me, home inspector. Just let you know that's heat, like a furnace. Because it's probably going to 2 different units. Or they probably upgraded it. So this here is a boiler. It's like a little mini boiler. And y'all see right here, this is just a regular furnace. It actually got AC in there too. We're gonna try to kick this boy on while we in here. So when you see these pipes right here, that's how you know we got AC, because it's really something that sit on top of the heat that make the air cold or whatever, and then the fan down below just blow it.
You trying to see the air conditioning on this door?
Once they got that bitch turned off down to the air.
Oh, it's on now.
Look at this shit. Is it this one? Oh, I done tightened the bitch up. Damn, I think I done fixed it, nigga. That's $600. Y'all could have fell through the floor. And that bitch was like literally sitting sideways, and I just kicked that bitch and then straightened up.
I'm confused about where is the water coming in.
Right. But you know what it could be? This downspout. Maybe you bust underneath.
It's a little creek right there, a little crack.
Right.
So that used to probably be a window.
Something like a little hatch. Cold hatch, maybe.
They need to tuck point these.
It's probably just dirty.
No, I'm talking about
Yeah, this
Oh, you
needs new
talking
bricks. Re-tuck pointed. This called spalling. When you see bricks like this, what happened is, and it get wet, and then in the wintertime it freeze, and then it thaw out when it get warm, when it freeze again, and then it cause the bricks to expand and contract and start breaking off. It's called spalling.
So it's gonna get worse and worse
Yeah, look.
if they don't fix it. Okay, wait. I guess we acting like they about to buy him.
Probably don't want us to inspect this. I see a bunch of violations. They need at least spray some spray foam, and this bitch ain't even see it.
Man, if they was to buy this boy though, this come the way this looking. I wonder is it a triple net? But it look like the roof got evidence of some little stuff.
The AC on it up top.
Oh yeah.
The old vents that's right there, that was coming from that. That's like an all-in-one unit, but that bitch old. They ain't using it. See, this wall definitely
Oh
bold.
shoot! Somebody just stole some. Dang.
Let's go get my ring.
I'm trying to get this thing open.
Kids.
I already heard you tell grandma that her porch is in line. I'm trying to cut.
I think about that damn front porch. I'm thinking about finishing this damn house.
I like it. I do see potential in. It's a nice first space.
If you think about it, as long as the major things is good and intact, like the electric, gas, as long as there's no leaks going on, because if y'all not worried about the basement, then just make sure y'all put like some wood pallets under it, but just making sure to keep it propped up.
Okay.
So you can keep yourself pretty. Yeah, it's gonna look good. I definitely can see it.
Have the vision and what y'all got.
That's when we can start crying.
Oh, it is.
I'm a G.
Aww.
As soon as the one thing come down and
Release.
Jason come in here and talk about something. Oh, it looks so nice.
because he looking at potential.
Yes, that's good. I can see it.
I'm looking at the space.
Oh, don't be so pressed next time, man. Your next space, we gonna take our time. We calling out the experts. We ain't just getting no fucking all the fucking trash.
I don't see competition. I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine.